my channel. You are watching the Vomaverse. This is me, Vomika. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well and that the sun is shining wherever you are, because in the end of the day, we all need sunshines in our life. So here I am. In today's video, we are doing a soft glam makeup look because I am officially entering my soft girl era. So I thought, let's do some makeup. Let's style this beautiful dress from Oila. Oila, Oila, Oila. I just thought that I won't do that, but every single time I take this brand ka naam, this song has to pop up. Oila, Oila, Oila. Okay, coming back to the point, we're going to do some makeup, fashion, styling, and some chit chat. So if this video interests you, please keep on watching. Oh, wait a minute. Let's do a quick transition. So I've officially wore this beautiful dress. Let's start the makeup video. So for the makeup look, I have decided to do this cutie makeup. It's giving very, summer vibes. But before that, thoda paas aa jao, kyunki ye makeup video hai ki nahi? I think this is fine. Cool. So for the makeup, let's do the primer first. This is the primer from Swiss Beauty that I have here. I am not a beauty guru. अगर आप ये वीडियो इसके लिए देख रहे हो कि आप मेरे से मेकअप सीखोगे, पहले मैं तो खुद सीख लूँ अपना मेकअप. सो आई एम अप्लाइंग दिस प्राइमर ओवर हियर. जहाँ मेरे पोर्स है मैं वहाँ मेरा ये प्राइमर लगा रही हूँ, जो मैंने अभी 10 मिनट पहले मंगाया क्योंकि मेरे पास प्राइमर था नहीं. द फॉर्मुलेशन इज सो गुड डूड. लाइक it blurs out all your pores, so it's just like your savior. I feel this is the first time I'm using this product. Loving it. So for the next step, I have this concealer from Maybelline. So I'm going to just conceal my eyes a little bit, little take, okay? And you can also put it on your darker pigmented areas. So I have a little pigmentation going on over here. Now that the concealer is done, now we're gonna blend this concealer, okay? By the way, I'm using this mirror so I can clearly see where I'm putting the product, वरना इधर का उधर हो जाएगा. Okay, we're blending the concealer. Concealer को blend किया जाए. Yeah, the concealer is done. I love this. I love all Maybelline products, bro. I just love it. I think I've been using Maybelline for about 5 to 7 years now. Like since I went to college, I've been using Maybelline products and I absolutely love them. It's affordable and the most classic makeup products ever. So for the next step, I have this foundation from Maybelline. Yet again, there is a Maybelline product because I am obsessed with their products and not gonna lie, they're the best in market. So why not? So I am in the shade 228. See, I've learned so much from the beauty gurus online because I like makeup, I like to do makeup, but I don't do makeup so much every single day, you know what I mean? So I've taken this foundation on my hand. We are going to apply this to the face. अच्छा अपना neck मत भूलना. अपना neck भूल जाओगे ना तो यहाँ से गोरा यहाँ से काला दिख जाएगा. इससे अच्छा सब कुछ अच्छे से blend कर लो. So the foundation is on. Let's blend it. You know the best hack? मैं आपको एक best hack देती हूँ. If you are in a hurry और तुमको makeup फटाफट करने का है और भागने का है कहीं काम पे, so just take one pump of foundation, take one pump of your moisturizer, rub it onto your hands and just apply it on your face with your fingers. I think finger application is the best in terms of makeup because all the product goes inside your skin like seamless. It gives you a very good base. With brush is also fine, but कभी-कभी ना brush के साथ strokes आ जाते हैं and it sometimes looks very cakey. Okay, the foundation looks good. It's given us good coverage. Foundation is done. Let's bake our face now. This is the first time ever I am going to bake my face. I don't usually do that. But this is the loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me. So I'm taking this loose powder and just dabbing a little bit under my eyes. Little will take. I hope ये मेरे dress पे नहीं गिर जाए because this is a little ध्यान से करने वाला job. So you can apply this powder wherever you feel you are very oily. Okay, the baking is done. Now let it rest for at least 2 minutes. So this will look flawless. Now let's do the eyes. For the eyes, I have to take brown tones and a little bit of shimmer that is there in the photo. So for the eyeshadow, I have this beautiful palette from Makeup Revolution London, and I really love all the shades that it has. Really beautiful pinks and browns का mixture है इसमें. So for the eyeshadow, I am taking these shades Risky, J'adore and Chemistry, because I think that those are the closest to what is there in the photo reference. So let's do J'adore first. Let me know, yeah, what are your favorite top 3 makeup products in the comment section below, so I can also give it a try, because the products that you're seeing right now are the products that I've been using since a very long time, like very long. So I'm using this shade Risky, which is a mauve pink tone on the outer corner of my eye. Yeah, looks pretty. Can you see? I love this shade, yeah. Prettiest it is. Risky. So now I'm taking the shade Chemistry. It is a rose gold shimmer, so I'm going to put it in the inner corners of my eye. What a beautiful shade, yeah, this is. It's giving very champagne vibe. Champagne. Oh, मेरे दिमाग में अभी इतना प्यारा गाना चल रहा है. I don't know if you all know it. This song, Who Says from Selena Gomez. Who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only thing that's hurting? Trust me. La 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 la. What nostalgia this song has, man. I think this song released when I was a kid. It's really empowering. I love this song a lot. Cute. Okay, the eye look is done. Next step, let's do our eyebrows. And for the eyebrows, I have this eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire. It's a very beautiful, you know, eyebrow shade that absolutely and perfectly goes with my brows. So I'm just going to fill the brows. I'm not going to outline them. I'm just going to fill in. So you can just first comb your eyebrows and then just layer it. If you have lesser eyebrows, then you can also, you know, line your eyebrows. See, it's given me so much definition on my face, and I really like pointy eyebrows, you know. With this, I also like to go in with eyebrow thing. Let me see the product का नाम bro. गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. Lash and Brow Growth Serum. So this is from Earth Rhythm. I love to go in with this. It gives very, you know, nice vibe to the eyebrows, like a proper shape. Next up, let's do the blush. So for the blush, I don't really use a blush, but I use a tint. So this is the tint that I usually use. It is from Earth Rhythm. It's a lip and cheek tint. I absolutely love this product. This is, I think this is my third bottle. You can clearly see that I am obsessed with this product and absolutely love it. So you can just put little on your cheeks and your nose. It gives a very sun-kissed vibe. Let's blend it in. और blush को भी ना upwards drag करना. Don't do it down. It looks very clowny. The more you take it upwards, the more snatched look you'll have. Yeah, this looks cute. I love this. I am obsessed with this blush and how. So the blush is done. Let's go in with the lips and then we'll do the most difficult part, that is the eyeliner and mascara. Mascara is not that difficult, but I think the eyeliner, to achieve that eyeliner on camera will be a task for me. कभी कभी ऊपर हो जाता है, कभी कभी नीचे हो जाता है, तो पहले हम अपना लिपस्टिक लगा लेते हैं. ये स्टेप्स में जो कर रही हूँ मैं अपने हिसाब से कर रही हूँ, तो प्लीज ये फॉलो मत करना, मैं बता रही हूँ. और कोई जज कर रहा है तो अपना जजमेंट अपने पॉकेट में रखो. Okay, I'm doing makeup as I do and I know. Okay, so for the lipstick, those who already know that I am obsessed with these shades from Fay Beauty. I absolutely love them and these are my favorite shades. No, I'm not going to mix them. I am going to use one as to line my lips, which is the shade Nut, and the other one is Safe Wood, which I'm going to use to fill my lips. So first अपन line कर लेते हैं अपने lips को. So this is a very, you know, brown shade. I think it's perfect to line the lips. Okay, we've lined our lips. See, can you see it's such a beautiful shade. Plus it's all matte and I love matte lipsticks. It's a, you know, win-win situation with Fay, I feel. Now I'm taking the shade Safe Wood and just filling the lips. See, it's looking so good. Like this whole combination. If you are looking for a lip combo, this is the best lip combo I can suggest. Nut and Safewood, bestest thing ever. Now we're doing the difficult part. Now we're doing the eyeliner, which is also from Maybelline New York. So I hope अच्छे से हो. बेइज्जती मत कराना वरना पूरा वापस करना पड़ेगा यार. Let's do it guys. Let's do it. Let's keep ourselves motivated that we can do a that we can do a eyeliner on camera. इतना concentration मैंने पढ़ाई में कर लिया होता. सही दिख रहा है guys. एक ही आँख का हुआ है, ये वाला नहीं हुआ. रुको ज़रा सब्र करो और सब्सक्राइब भी करो. सब्सक्राइब भी करो guys. Is it? Yeah, it's proper, I think. I've done a good job, guys. I really salute the beauty influencers who do it on camera every single time. How do you get everything so perfect? Like, it is artistry in a form, you know. Like doing makeup. If you know how to do makeup, like good makeup, it is a skill, dude. Not everyone can do that. Okay. The eyeliner is done. Comments में बताना मैंने सही से लगाया कि नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे को तो लग रहा है कि मैंने सही से लगाया है. अब वो एडिट पे पता चलेगा कि मैंने सही से लगाया कि मैंने गड़बड़ की है. But I'm loving this look. It's giving very, you know, sun-kissed kind of vibe. Now let's do the mascara. So for the mascara, I have this Colossal waterproof mascara. This mascara gives you volume like a goddess. See, you can clearly see that I have good lashes here on this eye, but this elevates the eyes so much. आपकी आंखें पूरी एकदम खुली लगती. It's really nice. I love it guys. See, I'm not making the face now. हमेशा मस्कारा लगाते समय वो मुंह बनता है, which I'm not doing, okay? Only for this video I'm trying to control. बोला और वो हो गया. No, अच्छे से will do. Keeping a poker face while doing a mascara means you are a makeup pro. Anyone who can relate, please comment और बताओ क्या आप भी मुंह बनाते हो mascara लगाते समय. See, I told you, makeup is a skill. Not everyone can do makeup, dude. Yay! The mascara is done. Let's do a little bit of contour also. But I'm doing a contour. Here's a hack. I'm doing a contour with a lipstick. This is a brown lipstick that I have from Maybelline. It's in the shade 657 Nude Nuance. I'm just going to add a little bit of contour, and you know, this double chin that is showing, it'll just go away. So I'm just adding a little bit. इससे थोड़ा definition आ जाएगा, क्योंकि मेरी jawline एकदम sharp दिखेगी और मेरा face एकदम snatched दिखेगा. So let's blend it in. See, can you see the difference already? It's giving, dude. This makeup look is giving. It's a vibe. Can you see? Yeah, it's giving me a little bit of dimple also, जो आपको पहले नहीं दिख रहा होगा. Usually मेरा dimple is like a moon. It sometimes shows and sometimes it doesn't. So my dimple is showing. That's a good thing, no? Good sign. Pretty look. So the makeup is looking good, all matte, cute and beautiful. Let's set our face with this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. This is the benefit of having a camera. I'm just going to spray it a little bit. Good. Cool. Now let's accessorize. So I'm going to change these earrings and do some different earrings. We still have to do the hair part. Oh shit, I forgot Oni. I thought I'm sitting with ready hair. मेरे बाल तो गीले हैं. ठीक है. So the accessories. Oh, I didn't show you only what blue beauty influencer I'm going to be, man. I didn't show you this. This is the earring that I have. Can you see? So I like this earring. I got this from Borivali Market for something around 100 rupees. I got this earring. All of these accessories that I'm using is all bought because I don't usually accessorize a lot. But for the video, we do. You know, we do cute stuff for the video. For the necklace, neck chain, I have this cute star pendant which I'm going to wear. Tell all of your friends that I'm crazy. I drive you mad. La 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 la. No, star girl. And watch her say goodbye. Oh, I know, I messed the lyrics like fully. This is the neck, this is the ears. Now let's do the hair. I think अभी ये point पे तो I think मेरे बाल सूख ही गए होंगे अच्छे से. तो बालों को थोड़ा मैं straight करके आती हूँ क्योंकि at this point in this video so far, I think I'm looking like a smurf. So let's do our hair and we'll do a quick transition, okay? I'm looking like a champu person, but I'll do my hair and come like in 2 minutes. So I've straightened my hair, as you can see, and I have accessorized this bracelet that I got from Borivali market. Yet again, I feel that सब कुछ मिल जाता है and you don't have to hassle a lot. With that, I am also going to pair this with bracelet because it is a nazar bracelet. नजर ना लग जाए जानू, थॉट ये घबराए सानू. I think so मैंने lyrics सही गाए. But yeah, you get the point. It is for nazar. थोड़ा zoom out कर लेते हैं because I gotta show you this beautiful bag which I have from Miragio. I hope I'm pronouncing the brand name properly. And I absolutely love this bag. This has this sling bag and it has 2 compartments with it. With that, I've also bought a wallet. Wait a second. Let me show you. So the wallet, it also has 2 compartments. One is the zip portion where you can keep the money, and one is the card portion with which you can also keep the money in it. So you have a lot of space in your wallet. So I love this. And I'm going to style this with my dress. So we are all ready to go for a brunch, which I'm not going, clearly. We have no plans for that. Let's roll in some beauty shots. If you made it so far till the video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel because we have to hit 1000 subscribers by the end of the year. That is your target. Don't forget to do that. I'll be adding all the links to the products that I've used today, so you guys can check it out for yourself. And comments mein zarur batana what all are your favorite products, and don't forget to tell me what video should I make next. I'm really happy that I have this beautiful small family that I've created, and you guys love watching me. Thank you for all the love that you've given me for the previous video, and I'll be back with another video. Until next time, stay blessed, stay happy and don't overthink. थोड़ा life जी ले यार. Toodles.